Indian Premier League 2026 match number 58 Punjab Kings vs Mumbai Indians. Match played at Himachal Pradesh Cricket Association Stadium Dharmshala. Mumbai Indians won the toss, selected to bowl first. Punjab Kings 20 overs 200 runs lost by 8 wickets. Probas Simran Singh is the highest scorer, 57 runs, 32 balls. Then Mumbai Indians best bowling spell. Shardul Thakur 4 overs, no maiden, 39 runs, 4 wickets taken. Mumbai Indians 19.5 overs, 205 runs lost by 4 wickets. Tilak Barma is the highest scorer, 75 runs, 33 balls not out. Then Punjab Kings best bowling spell, Azmatullah Omarjai 4 overs, no maiden, 36 runs, 2 wickets taken. Mumbai Indians won by 6 wickets in this match. Player of the match Tilak Barma. Congratulations Mumbai Indians.